Before watching this video, please ensure you're serious about learning how to use Perplexity AI effectively. Welcome, knowledge seekers. Many creators approach AI as if it's a simple solution, but the reality is that Perplexity AI is a powerful tool that requires a strategic mindset. This isn't just another tool in your arsenal. It's a key to unlocking your potential in the digital landscape. We are engineers, researchers, and AI experts dedicated to breaking down complex systems into actionable strategies. In just 3 hours, you can gain insights to become a content marketing strategist, an NLP specialist in SEO, and more. This course is designed for serious content creators, researchers, writers, entrepreneurs, and anyone looking to elevate their skills. Check out the complete package available in our AI Innovators Academy YouTube channel description and in the description below this video. If you find this information valuable, please hit that subscribe button and share this video with someone looking to enhance their strategy.